subscribe to my channel. I hope you like it. This I'm making today, chocolate cake in a mug. So we have flour, sugar, chocolate, and cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, oil, and vanilla extra, and milk. So we put flour first. So now we're going to combine. We're going to mix the flour, this baking powder, sugar, and cocoa powder. Mix all the dry ingredients now until it becomes brown. Turn it to brown. Now we're going to put some milk. Now some oil. Now a vanilla extra. Now we're going to stir it up now. Now it's turning liquid. So now we're going to put chocolate chips. So now I'm going to now microwave it. Before you eat it, cool it down. Here's my cake. Looks like so yummy. I'm gonna try another teaspoon. It's like so yummy, like chocolatey. Oh my goodness. That's yummy. It's Zoe's French time! The French word for cake it is gâteau.